no idea if these pictures will do it justice, but it was fantastic. All this area up here, camping. I think that's Lake Tahoe right there. I didn't take out the compass, I just found this spot. Big rock. Big rocks. More hail. Sitting in my tarp. Oh, not many pictures today. Can't take the camera out when it's raining. Coming up to a place called Barker Pass. Squaw Valley is real close by. We believe that's Lake Tahoe. Out there, right there, looks like a sailboat. Hey, good morning. Lake Tahoe again down there. So this is Squaw Valley. That's all the ski stuff down there. These are slopes, you can see. The sign over there says Wolverine Bowl. Measuring sticks. Ski lifts up there if you see them. That's where I stayed. Alright, this is a lot of video starting here. That's going to be of Donner Pass. My mom has a love of Donner Pass for some reason. I'm going to go down there and look for human bones, see if there's any meat left on them. Alright, more Donner Pass. I hear a train out there. I don't know if he'll come through while we're on here. Looks very much like a ski lodge, I guess now. There's communication towers over there. I could probably upload this video from right here. This is Donner Pass.